In this video, we are going to talk about what is the best social media channels to do digital marketing for your business. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. Now, when you are trying to do digital marketing, there are various techniques that you can use, and we have already covered that in our previous videos. So you can check the complete playlist in the I button above. And in this video, we are going to cover the best social media platform that you should focus on to do the digital marketing for your business. And in order to find this best social media platform, there are few steps that you can take to understand your target audience. Now, one of the digital marketing strategies that we discussed is social media marketing. So for that, you need to focus on one or more than one social media platforms to market your business online. But how do you find which one is the best one for your business? So here are some steps that you can take to find the best social media platform for growing your business online. And the step number one is to define your audience. Now, before you even start doing any digital marketing, you should answer two questions. Number one, what is that problem that you are trying to solve with your product or service? And number two, who is the target audience who will be interested in your product or service? And that is actually will define your target audience. And once you figure out what is your target audience, then you can easily plan the rest of the strategy to sell your product or services to them, which comes in the step number two, that is creating free content. Now, I'm considering that we are doing content marketing on social media to get the organic followers. So for that, you need to focus on providing free content, the valuable content to your followers, so that they will get engaged with your profile and then surely will follow for the future one. Along with that, if you have budget, you can surely go ahead and test the paid ads on all these social media platforms. So no matter you are using Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, they all have inbuilt pay-per-click ads available. You can go ahead and try them and see your audience initial response to your product and services. And then comes the step number three, that is to build funnels. So no matter you are doing free content marketing or doing paid ads, you first focus on creating funnels so that you can target or sell the product or services that you want to the very right audience. So maybe you can do that by providing free valuable content, maybe free workshop or maybe a free demo or sample, and you can customize your funnel as per your requirement. And then comes the step number four, that is to measure your audience response. Now, whatever social media platform you are using, there is always an insight or analytics inbuilt in that, which will help you understand who is your audience, which is getting engaged in your profile, what is their demographics, and how they are responding to your content. Now, if you are working on more than one social media platform, then definitely there will be one platform which will work better than the others. And that's the main social media platform that you should focus most. Of course, you should continue using the others if it is giving you at least some value, maybe just in form of followers. But in conclusion, we can say that the best social media platform for promoting your business online is the one which can give you measurable results. And that exactly is the platform where your target audience is and which is interested in buying your products and services. So this is how you can test the various social media platforms and then finalize one or two of them to give the most focus on. And that will be the best social media platform for promoting your business online. So if you have any questions regarding social media marketing or digital marketing in general, then do let us know in the comment section below. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.